tonight's video, I am going to tell you about isotopes. Isotopes are atoms of the same element that contain the same number of protons and electrons but a different number of neutrons. The symbol for an isotope is the chemical symbol, or word, followed by a dash and then the mass number. So, C14 is the isotope of carbon, which contains 6 protons and 6 electrons, but the 14 signifies that it has 8 neutrons. 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. Oh, it can also be written as 14C. Isotopes display the same chemical characteristics. This is because they have the same number of electrons in their outer shells, and this is what determines their chemistry. The difference between isotopes is the neutrons, which are neutral particles within the nucleus and add mass only. This is the atomic structure and symbols of the 3 isotopes of hydrogen. Deducing protons, neutrons and electrons. Finding the protons. The atomic number of an atom and ion determines which element it is. Therefore, all atoms and ions of the same element have the same number of protons, atomic number, in the nucleus. e.g. lithium has an atomic number of 3 protons, whereas beryllium has atomic number of 4 protons. The number of protons equals the atomic proton number. The number of protons of an unknown element can be calculated by using its mass number and number of neutrons. Mass number equals number of protons plus number of neutrons. Number of protons equals mass number, number of neutrons. Finding the electrons. An atom is neutral and therefore has the same number of protons and electrons. Finding the neutrons. The mass and atomic numbers can be used to find the number of neutrons in ions and atoms. Number of neutrons equals mass number, number of protons. Worked example. Determine the number of protons, electrons and neutrons in an atom of element X with atomic number 29 and mass number 63. Answer. The number of protons of element X is the same as the atomic number. Number of protons equals 29. The neutral atom of element X therefore also has 29 electrons. The atomic number of an element X atom is 29 and its mass number is 63. Number of neutrons equals mass number, number of protons. Number of neutrons equals 63, 29. Number of neutrons equals 34. Is mass number and relative atomic mass the same thing? On a GCSE periodic table you will see that lithium has a relative atomic mass of 7. Although it seems that this is the same as the mass number, they are not the same thing because the relative atomic mass is a rounded number. Relative atomic mass takes into account the existence of isotopes when calculating the mass. Relative atomic mass is an average mass of all the isotopes of that element. For simplicity, relative atomic masses are often shown to the nearest whole number. The relative atomic mass of lithium to 2 decimal places is 6.94 when rounded to the nearest whole number. The RAM is 7. Which is the same as the mass number shown on this isotope of lithium. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe to this channel for more updates and learning skills.